In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and let me show you how to change a SIM card pin on this phone. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select biometrics and security. Here go a bit lower and tap on other security settings. At the top of the list you will notice set up SIM card lock. Click on it, and here you can easily change SIM card pin. So just mark the switcher, provide the current pin, click on OK, and then enter a new one. Tap on OK, and now you need to re-enter this new one just to confirm. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.